Magandang umaga, my love. Happy Sunday!
Sunday!
Tomorrow, Monday!
Tomorrow is Monday.
You need to go to school again. Long weekend finish. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Nanood siya ng movie. Enjoy the Sunday.
Series.
It's a series? Okay. Ako naman ay maglalaba dahil nga tayo ay gumala. Marami na naman tayong kailangan labhan. At the same time, nagluluto ako ng lunch namin. Ito ay Ridge Guard, guys, or Berica yung tawag dito sa amin. Lalagyan ko ng dry tamarind and then onions, eggs, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt. Yun lang the usual. Ito na ang ating ulam, guys. Ito na mix na ni Daddy Ram kasi ayokong magkamay. And ito, dapat may sabaw-sabaw, pero naubos na yung sabaw. Naligo kasi ako pagbalik ko. Ayan na. Yan na yung nangyari. Are you hungry? What's with that face? Ayun na ng ulam. What's with that face? Yummy, right? Yummy food, right? Napipilitan. So good? Huh? Now you change your mind? When he saw the Berica, yummy.
Veggie should eat, Nana.
Yeah, there's egg also, right? You love egg?
Enjoy, guys.
Kain tayo. It was hot a while ago. Now it seems gonna rain.
Aku udah ini high-tech city side.
Yesterday was so much fun, right, guys? I was not able to vlog anything when we reached because it's like too tired.
Because wake up early, na. Sleep.
We slept so early last night. What time na? 9:30, I think. Hanap na naman tayo ng bahay, guys. Ngayon, may agent na kaming kasama. Tingnan natin kung ano yung ipapakita niya mga bahay. Kasi, mahirap talaga pag kami lang yung nag-check. And, may nakita na kami talaga actually. Akala namin mako-confirm na, pero may nangyari hindi masyadong kagandahan. Sabihin ko sa inyo mamaya. Pero ngayon, pupunta kami doon pa rin sa same place na pinuntahan namin ang kaibigan ko. Kasi maraming available na mga bagong apartment, sabi nung agent. So, we'll see. And the road is so clear. Dito kami banda pala sa may Ikea. Yeah, seriously, right, Nadi? Kasi Sunday and
People did not come back from province yet. Tonight will come, then tomorrow will start again traffic, a lot of them. Because long weekend, right? Diwali and Saturday, Sunday.
so, ayan. Walang ka-traffic. Sana lagi. We are here, guys, waiting. This place is nice also.
It's nice area.
Yeah.
Showing the face.
It's still happening area.
Yeah. Newly developing and quiet also. Not that busy yet. And almost all shops are here already. So easy access with everything. Yeah. We'll see. Hopefully. What's with that face? Happy face?
This is like, I don't want to do this face. And this is the happy face.
I'll wait for Daddy, okay? Nagpa-park pa si Ram. Here they have clubhouse. Same as our community. Nice. Play area.
Half quota basketball.
Agi ka man na yan. Ayan guys, tapos na kami doon na community. Okay naman siya. Ang problema lang kasi hindi ko na video kung ano yung nasa loob kasi may mga tao. May mga nakatira doon, mga tenants. So, hindi ko na napakita sa inyo kung anong itsura niya. Pero okay yung isa doon sa nakita namin kasi may dalawa kaming nakita. Yung 2 BHK at saka yung 3 BHK. Yung presyo nila hindi masyadong nagkakalayo. We'll see. Mag-iikot-ikot pa kami nadiram dito. Kasi maganda ang area na ito. Baka may makita kaming available pa. Dito lahat ng shops nandito na. Walang big mall, pero yung mga clothing shops, mga KFC, McDonald's, ganun.
And from the other flat also near this.
Yeah,
It's not
actually.
that far.
What is this apartment? It
Not
seems
ready yet.
still not ready. Oh, there's D-Mart here, Daddy.
D-Mart next to
Super near.
El Dorado.
Oh,
Ransom El Dorado.
such a nice street, Daddy. Malapit na kami sa Golconda Fort.
The kings used to rule Hyderabad.
Yeah. So nice. This is like Warangal Fort.
Warangal Fort is nothing. Look at this.
We went to Warangal to see the same thing.
Only you saw the rubble.
Yeah. Ayan
That is a part, you know. If you clap below, you can hear the sound on top. Remember? That's the one. There is a below also, very bottom. That is a hall. If you clap here, you can hear on the top.
Serious, Daddy?
I'm serious, baby. You check it. I thought I showed you also.
I forgot already. It was how many years ago when
You,
we
me,
came
Meghna,
here?
right? When?
Like,
One time
oh,
only.
Ryan was still not there.
Ryan was in there.
I was still not pregnant with Ryan.
Did not see this fort.
Yeah.
I'll bring you one day.
Yeah.
Maybe it's now not enough time because a lot of walking to the top.
Yeah. Winter time maybe. Daming tao. Tingnan nyo. Ito yung entrance, guys. Go up na so you can see. Go up. It's okay. It's a slow-moving traffic also. Hindi pa wala nakapunta si Ryan dito.
It's the fort.
Punta na kami sa Rameshwaram Cafe, guys. Magkakape kami ni Daddy Ram. Tapos na kami mag-ikot-ikot kasi na-traffic kami doon sa Golconda. Bakit kasi pumasok doon na ron? Malapit lang kasi sa nursing. Sabi namin, itry natin, few minutes away lang. Na-traffic kami, na-stuck kami doon. This is what area now?
Sheikh Pet.
A chic pet.
Sheikh Pet, Loli Chowki. And Mahidipur.
Okay. Mayroon din community dito, Satwa, Magnus. This is very unfamiliar places for me, baby.
Because you never come
Empress Towers Annex.
their construction company.
Talagang
Never experienced this.
doon lang ako high-tech city girl. Dito naman kami sa financial district area, guys. Meron kaming titingnan na isang apartment. Ito yun, guys, oh. May approval na din kami. So, nakausap ko na yung may-ari.
Look,
How many buildings this one?
it would be looking
Right? That's their clubhouse. Ang laki. Their pool is here.
Okay, at least they're
Go
pool.
swimming. It's the water cold? I think they have indoor pool also maybe.
Yeah, actually, I love indoor pools because outdoor pools there's so much bird poop.
It's in between these tech buildings. Right? Literally. Tingnan niya ah. Ito yung kanilang play area. Pero luma na siya guys.
It is higher, you know.
Yeah, really.
Ground floor is higher than 30 floors.
Mm.
It is a skywalk.
Ayaw na guys. Big no yun. Luma na siya. Hindi siya masyadong kagandahan. Malaki yung community nila pero hindi maganda. Si Dadiram ayaw na niyang lumipat ng bahay talaga. Nakikita niya yung mga sitwasyon. Ayaw niyang lumipat. Ewan ko anong plan niya. Parang gusto niya na magmakaawa doon sa may-ari. Huwag kami paalisin. Diyos ko, kaloka. Ang hirap maghanap. Tapos, yung iba talagang hindi maganda ang sitwasyon ng kanilang apartment. Hindi inaalagaan, ganun. So, ewan ko. We'll see. Ikot-ikot kami dito.
Nice Amazon. Yeah, Amazon.
That's Amazon?
The whole thing is Amazon.
Oh. Dito
Yeah,
kasi
big
kami sa
campus is one of this one. Not that one, this one.
sa financial district kasi ito. So, lahat talaga ng mga malalaking kumpanya dito yung kanilang offices. Dito tayo guys sa Preston Mall. Preston Prime, I think. Dito kami usually nag-chat-chay. Sa Pista House, meron kasi dito sa loob. Problema ay parking. Instead of coffee, chai na lang. Kasi gusto ko ng banmaska. What do you want, Ryan? Biscuit? Huh? We'll wait here, Daddy.
No.
Right there.
Banmaska. So far, which one you like, Nana?
The first one, the other day, the very first house I saw.
Oh, with the iris?
Yes.
Okay. You don't like this one?
The last one was
Not at all. Ayaw niya talaga.
like it's in my bad tier. This is the best tier, the good tier, the not bad tier, then the
Worst.
worst tier. The other is the worst, and the first one the other day is the best.
Okay. But our house is the best, right? Bestest of the best.
There's another category, bestest of the best, is our house.
See here.
This is all mine.
Wow.
Nobody take this.
Okay, that's yours. No problem. Banmaska. I miss this.
Hey,
You don't want?
Already.
Sit na.
I am in the middle. I am the king. I mean, you can say. There's no space here.
Okay.
Somebody give me a spoon to remove all of this cafe. That's actually a better way to do it. Use the banmaska. I don't know why, but these
Sip
two.
little.
I don't know why, but these two love the top layer. I don't know why. I hate the top layer.
Daddy. Daddy like a baby. Become like a baby. Daddy.
Oh, you like a baby.
So good, right? After so long. When was the last time, Daddy?
Month maybe.
We used to go every day. Ito na ulit ako sa bahay, guys. Si Daddy Ram ay nasa gym. Si Ryan nagpapahinga, nanonood ng TV doon. Bukas sigising na naman tayo ng maaga at ihatid at susunduin na naman natin si Ryan sa school. Long weekend, so ilang araw na pahinga ngayon. Back to reality na naman tayo. Ang hirap maghanap ng bahay, guys. Ang ating paghahanap bahay serye continuous pa rin. And si Daddy Rama, gusto na talaga niya sumuko. Talagang ayoko talagang lumipat na. Kasi nga, kailangan na may-ari yung bahay. Kagamitin nila. Kailangan naming maglipat. And ang hirap talaga makahanap yung decent enough na bahay. Kasi kahit pa hindi gated community, guys, yung presyo ng gated community at hindi gated community, yung mga stand-alone, normal buildings lang na apartment, almost the same price lang, napaka-konti lang yung pagkakaiba. So alam niyo yun, doon ka na lang sa mas secure. Pero ang hirap maghanap. Ang problema pa is kailangan magkatugma yung kailan ka lilipat galing dito, tapos papasok doon sa bagong lilipatan mo. Kasi kung kailan sila available, ganun, di ba? Yung iba, immediately kailangan kunin mo na. Hindi ka naman pwedeng umalis dito agad kasi mag-notice ka pa sa may-ari, ganito, ganyan, di ba? So, ang daming factor talaga na kinukonsider. And alam niyo, sabi ni Ram, napakabait ng may-ari natin. Kasi usually, yung pag-increase ng renta, every year, 7%, 10%. Yung may-ari namin, yung ini-increase lang niya is 2.5% as in. Tapos, itong 3 BHK na apartment namin ngayon, ang binabayaran namin is 50,000 in a month. Yung ibang 3 BHK dito sa community namin, ang range ng kanilang rent is nasa 60,000 to 80,000 plus maintenance pa yun. Yung maintenance mga nasa 5,000. O diba? Imagine yun, ang laki ng difference. Kaya swerte talaga kami sa may-ari nitong bahay namin kasi mura lang niya binigay yung apartment. And kung hindi lang talaga daw niya kailangan, hindi niya kami paalisin kasi gustong-gusto niya si Ram, parang tinuturing niyang anak din si Ram, nag-uusap-usap pa sila minsan. Alam niyo, napakabait, guys. Tapos, sabi ni Ram, alam mo ba, yung mga ibang mga may-ari ng apartment, ang rude nila, napakabastos daw. And then, nagda-down pa sila ng ibang tao. So, sabi niya, we are so lucky daw sa owner ng aming apartment kasi napakabait. Then, talking about that, guys, may nagustuhan kaming apartment. Talaga, as in, gustong-gusto namin. Kung sinabi niyang move immediately, mag-move kami immediately. Kasi, okay ang presyo, mas mura as compared dito sa amin. Kasi nga, yung gusto namin ay hindi siya ganito kalaking gated community. Gated community pa rin pero mas maliit-liit. And then 2 BHK lang. So of course, obviously, mas magiging mura siya. Then malapit sa mga schools. Talagang very interested kami. Sabi nila, pag nag-go ang may-ari, lilipat na tayo talaga. Kahit sabihin pa niya immediately, tapos meron pa kaming dito. Remaining days, sabi niya, lilipat daw kami agad kasi ano niya kagusto yung lugar. Ang problema, yung may-ari, nakita ako. Na-notice nyo ngayon, si Ram yung kasama ko maghanap ng bahay. Last time, yung kaibigan kong Pilipina din ang kasama kong maghanap ng bahay. Ang nandoon is ang misis ng may-ari. So, natanong siya, taga saan daw kami. Na-interview na kami, guys. So, sabi namin, Pilipina kami, pero ang mister ko ay Indian. Then, yung sa kaibigan ko din, Indian yung mister niya. Nakatira siya doon malapit sa apartment nila. Ganito, ganyan. Ang dami niyang tanong, guys. Na racial discrimination kami ng aking friend. Very friendly pa naman siya sa amin. So, akala namin, okay to mabait ang may-ari after namin nakita yung bahay na yun, hindi na siya sumagot, guys. Tapos hindi na sumagot yung may-ari sa amin. Ini-ignore na kami. Tinatawagan ni Ram. Yung number ko at number ni Ram, 1 number lang ang difference. So, alam nila na related. So, ang ginawa ni Ram, na-curious kasi kami, bakit hindi na sila sumasagot sa amin, sa mga inquiry namin. At pagsabi namin sa kanila na nagustuhan namin yung flat, ano yung mga details, hindi na nag-reply. So, ginamit ni Ram yung phone na ginagamit ni Ryan kasi iba ang number nun. Sumagot. Sumagot, guys! Then, sino to, ganito, ganyan. Then, nagpakilala si Ram na, ako yung mister ng bumisita sa inyo, ganito, ganyan. Tapos, ano na yung details. Then, nagtanong yung may-ari, taga saan niyang misis mo, bakit kayo nandito, bakit siya nandito, saan kayo nagkakilala. Nagulat silang parang, pati ba naman yun? Nung lumipat kami dito, talagang yung may-ari, wala talaga siyang mga questions na ganun, guys. Very polite. Parang very smiling pa kasi one time nagpunta siya dito sa bahay. Nakalipat na kami, ha? Then pumunta siya dito sa bahay. Tapos siya nagla, how are you? Ganun lang talaga. Pinalipat niya kami dito bago niya kami nakita personally. Yung isang racist na may-ari, sabi niya, magkita daw muna kaming lahat bago niya ibibigay yung apartment niya. Well, we understand naman. Pero hindi yung parang, dinadown niya na dahil Pilipina ako, na dahil foreigner ako, ay ayaw na niyang ibigay yung yung bahay nila. Diyos ko, aalagaan ko talaga yung bahay nila. Kung gaano kalinis tong bahay namin, ganun din yung magiging next bahay namin, diba? Kung ibibigay niya dito sa ibang Indiana, ay naku, ayoko na lang magsalita. Ang daming bahay naming napuntahan, guys, and ay, sorry na lang talaga, pero wala talaga akong nakita ng malinis-linis. Kasi may ibang apartment na pinuntahan namin, may tenant na sila, di ba? Nakikita mo talaga yung bahay nila na, ay, Diyos ko, Lord, Diyos ko. Yung mga malinis lang, yung talagang wala pang nakatira at all, hindi pa siya natirhan. Yun lang yung malinis-linis, newly constructed. Yun lang, pero ay, Diyos ko, nakita mo yung ibang bahay, Diyos ka, loka. Sorry naman, pero totoo lang talaga. So, alam niyo yun, confident ako sa sarili ko na kaya kong alagaan yung bago naming matitirhan. Of course, hindi mo din sila masisisi na maging curious sila kung sino yung titira doon. Pero talagang yung approach niya sa amin, napaka-racist talaga at talagang na-offend kami. So, wag na. Thank you na lang. Ewan ko, kakausapin daw ni Ram yung may-ari na, ewan ko talaga, hindi ko talaga, I'm so confused, sorry guys, I'm so confused, super stressed. Kasi parang, hindi kasi sapat yung time. Ano na ngayon, November 3rd, dapat end of November, lilipat na kami. Hindi kaya. So, baka end of December na lang siguro, we'll see. Kakausapin pa ni Ram yung may-ari para mapakiusapan or kahit until na lang March end of school year nila yan para makahanap pa kami ng decent enough talaga na magiging happy kami. Gusto naming magtagal sa isang lugar na at ayoko na talaga ng palipat-lipat pa, guys. Kasi may mga owner na hindi nila ginagamit yung bahay, so pinaparentahan lang, and as long as you want, pwede kang pwede kang tumira doon. Yung iba, nasa UK, nasa US, then one day, babalik sila ng India, kukunin nila yung bahay nila, wala kang magagawa, di ba? So, mahirap din naman maghanap ng ganong sitwasyon, yung pinaparentahan lang nila, and hindi nila gagamitin. We'll see what's our next goal is. Bili na tayo ng bahay, guys. Ang dami nagsabi, bili tayo ng bahay. Hindi ganun kadali, guys. Kaka-move lang namin sa Hyderabad. At saka ang dami pa namin factor na kino-consider. Hopefully, one day. Of course, doon naman din ang tungo natin. Doon ang ating plano. And hopefully, magsipag pa tayo para magkapera tayo at makabili tayo ng sarili nating bahay. Time to take shower. We'll sleep in a while. Mommy will drop you again tomorrow. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Everyday na yan. Hatid sundo. Tired today? Let's sleep early na. Say goodnight to guys.
Good night, guys. Like, share, subscribe, like, share. Ring the bell icon. Bye. See you, bukas. Peace.